right, low notes. So first step we're going to do is we're going to get our breathing up to par. So what we're going to do is we're going to feet shoulder width apart. We're going to plie and stand up straight. So when you plie, you're going to inhale down, grow, and you're going to exhale, drive up. You're going to use the air to drive your body back up. Inhale, get low on the inhale, and exhale, drive the sound back up. That's essentially the breathing pattern we need to have. So this time we're going to do it on us. So we're going to inhale through the nose. By yourself. And as you're driving yourself back up, you're locking the legs, you're locking the bum, you're engaging the core. You understand? Good. Next, let's get those shoulders loose. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open the jaw. Energy on. 2, 3, and and good. One more, and next, we're gonna do tongue in and out. And tongue in, tongue out. But just relax. Very gently. Try not to move the jaw. Good. Next, Vocalfy. Can I hear? Good. If you're doing it correctly, you'll feel buzzing in your chest, in your Adam's apple, and in your tummy. Hold it for as long as you can. Again. Now let's get ready to open the drawer. We're gonna shift and off. 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 Good. Did you get a hang of that? It shouldn't hurt. If you're doing this correctly, it shouldn't hurt. It should just feel like vibrations are happening in there. That's it. Not pushing too hard, not forcing anything. Next, let's now get that tongue out of the way, right? Let's toot. Tongue out of the way. So we're gonna go. Release that tongue. Open O.T.D. Like you're opening this way. Good. Stop. Good. Relax. Now we're gonna create the space. How do we do that? Lazy jaw. Top teeth. 1 and 2. Think Van Gogh. Ooh. Now. One more. What did I do? If you noticed, when I translated from the vocal fry to the vocal buzz, I created more space. My jaw moved down, my soft palate moved up. I opened the inside of my mouth so that the sound can resonate at the roof of my mouth. Okay? So again. Now let's do off. Breathe and Breathe. Vocal fry it out. Vocal fry, placement space. That's it. Bring it forward. And let's do some melodies. Let's do A, E, I, O, U. One more. Vocal fry. Good. Get that space. Try that. Why you always running? If you have issues, go to the vocal fry. Why you always running? Yeah. And lift it. Why you always running? Yeah. Release the tongue. Exercising your lower region. Do a little bit of that, once in a while. I wouldn't say do it every day, especially at this point when you're not that experienced, but it's just a good way to feel a different part of your voice. Okay, if you want more information on this is going to be on my site. The Vocalfy site is coming soon, baby. So listen, we're gonna have even more exercises, more warm-ups, more shenanigans, more fun on the Vocalfy site. It's coming soon, so I'm just letting you know from now. So when I launch it, y'all need to scoot over there with me, okay? Thank you so much again for joining me here at Vocalfy. It's your girl, Miss Chance, signing off. Bye!